Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks fantastic. You got that Laramie grille up front there with the chrome bumper and your tow hooks down there. You got projector-style headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out down there. And coming all the way around to the side, we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look fantastic. You got the 20-inch rims on there as well. You got heated exterior mirrors with the turning signal, and they are the tow mirrors. So you can just lift them up like that, and you can see even farther back. Now you also got the running boards along the bottom, and coming around to the back, we do have a 6-foot box back here. You got the Laramie badging as well as your backup camera. You have your 4x4. You have your chrome bumper back here with the dual exhaust, and you do have your park sensors. You can open this guy up right here. Looks great back here. Lots and lots of room. 6-foot box, as I said, and it does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock. We got 1 press to lock it. We have our remote start and our panic button there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there to lock it. On the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of wood accenting up here. A handle, some storage, and more down here. Looks great in here. The seats are very comfortable. The leather bucket seats feel great. You do have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt, lumbar support, and seat memory. And then up here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here, and our fog lights right there. And up here we have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our battery and oil life up top there. It does tell us the temperature outside, as well as we do have what channel we're on, the range. We also have how many kilometers we have and the average liters per 100 kilometers. You can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow options, your audio, stored messages, and screen setup. Now that is controlled all from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you do have volume up and down with a source changer. And then right in the center you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. You got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through your disc, USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls over your heated seats, vented seats, and heated steering wheel. Your climate control, it is a dual climate system for your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got your navigation right here, so you can see we are in Recreation Place. You got your phone options and your settings right there. When you are in reverse, you have the ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here, we got the volume up and down with our mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and our tuner browser. AC, circulation, heat up and down. We also have our power, off, auto, and then a front rear defrost. Then down here, you have your trailer brake, your traction control, your tow and haul mode, park sensors. Then you have your heated seats, vented seats, and heated steering wheel. Then right over here we do have the controls over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock and 4-wheel low, as well as the neutral. Then you got your gear shift right here. You got some storage here, cup holders, more storage, and then you got your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there, as well as an SD card, 2 USB plugins, and an aux cord. Then you can lift this guy up like this. Lots of room in there. You also have your CD player. And then over here we do have our top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. They look great. And then up top you got your universal garage door opener right here, as well you do have your control over the window in the back and some lights. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, a handle here, some storage here and here, and it looks great back here as well. Very spacious. You can also fold this guy down like this. You got an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold these up like this, and you got some storage underneath there. There's a subwoofer underneath the other one. And then you can fold this guy up like this, and then you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And then you do also have heated seats back here, and some storage just underneath the floor mats right there. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2013 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.